Highest single day spike of 16,922 COVID-19 cases and 418 deaths reported in India in the last 24 hours. Positive cases in India increases to 4,73,105, including 1,86,514 active cases. 2,71,697 people have been cured and discharged. 14,894 deaths have also been reported across the country. Karnataka reports 397 cases, taking the total tally to 10,118 cases. The state has seen 3,799 active cases. Total COVID-19 related deaths have also increased to over 160, with over 10 deaths being reported on Wednesday. Bengaluru reports 173 new coronavirus cases and 5 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the city has climbed to 1,124. Death toll in Bengaluru has climbed to 78.
ಇವತ್ತು 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಸಚಿವರುಗಳ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ಸಭೆ ಕರೆದು ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ತಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಗಿ ಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Questions over lockdown in Karnataka amidst increase in COVID-19 cases. State government to take a final call today after cabinet meet. Differences among cabinet ministers over lockdown.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಈ ಪಿಡುಗು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಲವು ಏರಿಯಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಲ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Meanwhile, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa also says COVID cases in Bengaluru are increasing. Also adds that all measures will be taken to flatten the curve.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಶಾಸಕರು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಸಚಿವರು ಕೃಷ್ಣಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಸಮಾಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಗಿ ಕ್ರಮ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa calls for an all-party meet with Bengaluru MLAs as cases are increasing in the city. Chief Minister to discuss and take their opinions before taking final decision on lockdown. Meanwhile, over 8 lakh SLC students take exams in state amidst COVID-19 fear. All students wear masks and undergo thermal screening at examination centers. Government provides N95 masks to those who are unwell. Over 7,000 police personnel deployed to ensure that the SLC exams are conducted without any problems. Common man continues to bear the brunt as fuel prices have been hiked for the 19th consecutive day in India. Diesel prices crosses 80 rupees mark in Delhi and it has seen an increase by 14 paise per litre. Petrol price in the national capital increases to 79 rupees 92 paise per litre, an increase of 16 paise per litre. Markets open in red. Sensex opens at 34,529.53 points, sees a slump of 339.45 points. Benchmark indices opened on negative note on the back of weak global markets amid surge in coronavirus cases. And the number of COVID-19 cases around the world have crossed a grim milestone of 9.4 million mark, recording 94,05,800 cases. 4,82,128 people have lost their lives due to the deadly pandemic. 47,21,594 people have recovered from the deadly virus. United States continues to remain the worst affected COVID-19 country with 23,80,452 cases.